gotta stay seated though, or no cookies. Good job, buddy.
Cookies.
We're gonna make a cookie.
Look at her. She's doing sit-ups. Are you gonna make cookies? Yeah.
We're gonna have a fun project. Okay, here we go. Put a cookie on the plate. Like this.
So you're doing sit-ups. She's gonna...
The cookie, and then Mommy will get this ready for you, and you can frost the cookie.
Yes.
Look, I'll show you how. If you squeeze it down here, the frosting comes out. Oh, good. Squeeze it down here. Good job. Wow, Wally. Keep going. Squeeze it out. Do you want a different color? Wow. Cool. Or you want sprinkles?
You might like the, oh well, those aren't as colorful.
Huh?
So you could put them in that shaker and you could shake them out.
Do you want to sprinkle them on? Like this? Whoa, cool. Okay, you do it. Wow, look at all the sprinkles. Now, do you want some of this? Yes, okay.
Maybe you should do it on another cookie.
You want to do another cookie? Then we'll make another cookie. Here, Mom will help you with this. Ooh, look at that pretty. Good job. Oh, you want those too? You want them on a different kind of cookie? We can do another cookie with this color.
No.
Oh, you can eat this one.
He's gonna go for a grape.
Okay, should we squeeze this one? Squeeze this one. Squeeze it out. Wow, Wally. Good. Wow, you're doing it so good. Well, you want these on this one?
Yes.
Okay. Oops. Now these are going to come pouring out. Okay, ready? Here we go. We'll shake them on. Wow. I don't think you can eat these, actually.
Yeah, you can if you chew them. Chew it up good.
Chew it up really good, okay?
Bite it.
Chew it up.
Good job.
Should we do another cookie? She's done.
Now he's eating grapes.
Want to do another one? You can do it. You got two done. You can do some white frosting. Oh, Mommy will help you. There you go. Oops. That's okay. Oh, they're just right here.
Look, Sadie's eating your bucket.
You want white frosting this time? We've got red and pink. You want white? Okay. Look at her. You want those sprinkles? Okay, let's do the white. Mommy will squeeze for you. Oh, good. You want that stuff? Okay, sprinkle it on. Good job. Okay.
Good one. Got a pile of sugar.
Oh, that is just great. Great. What else do you want on? Oh, not more of this. Do these. Do those. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yay. You want more of
Let
those?
him do it.
Okay.
We're not going to eat them anyways.
Good job.
Whoa, you got a pile of sprinkles.
Pretty much the whole bag. Good. I'm going to sneak these away. Wow, great job, Ollie. You did so good at the cookies. Should we eat them? Should we eat them now?
Yes.
Okay. Want me to try break it?
You might not be going to bed at 7.
Okay, here you go. Have a bite. Look at all the pink sugar.
Don't eat that plastic.
Oh, caca. Grody. Okay, that's Mommy.
Try some of the cookie.
Have your cookie. Mommy's gonna have a bite. Mmm. What a good cookie.
Squeeze it.
You want to help Mama help? Help Mama? Like this? There. No help? No, we'll just keep it.
Red.
Red.
Got to get him into the balcony this week.
Elsie.
All gone.
Okay, Mommy will take it. Thank you. Wow, great job. You can go like this and put the sprinkles on.
You really want to sit up, don't you, Elsie?
Not even 3 months. Good job. You want to eat it? You want to eat your cookie?
Take a bite.
Take a bite. Oh, not done yet? Nice. How about these? I better get her. Sorry, baby, you're being neglected. Valentine's. You can't participate.
No. Again.
Good job, Ollie. You are such a good cookie maker. Good job.
White on that one?
I can't help you anymore because I have baby.
I can help you. You want to squeeze it? You know what you need is a spreader. If you can spread it around.
So you could be patient enough for that. I thought you would enjoy squeezing. Are you all done? Oh my gosh.
It's on the table.